I know this has happened to you too. You're talking to a woman, hoping to make a lasting impression, but something feels off. The connection isn't clicking the way you imagined. You start wondering, what is it that some guys have? The ones who naturally draw women in without trying too hard? Here's the truth. It's not about cheesy lines, flashy gestures, or playing games. Real attraction happens when you're authentic, confident, and know how to connect on a deeper level. In this video, I'm going to share exactly how to do that. No tricks, no gimmicks, just a real, meaningful way to captivate her attention. Number 1. Make her feel something that lasts. Most men miss this simple but powerful truth. Women are moved by emotions. It's not about being perfect with your words or planning extravagant surprises. It's about creating moments that touch her heart and linger in her mind. Research by Dr. John Gottman, a leading psychologist, shows that emotional connection, not logic or material gestures, is the foundation of meaningful relationships. It's not about what you say, it's about how you make her feel. Think of a scene from La La Land, when Sebastian and Mia are dancing under the stars at the Griffith Observatory. It wasn't the dance itself, or even the setting that mattered. It was the unspoken chemistry, the magic of the moment they shared. It was about the feelings they evoked in each other, feelings that stayed long after the music stopped. Now ask yourself, are you creating moments that spark her emotions? Are you crafting an experience that makes her feel alive, understood, and valued? Or are you just another fleeting conversation she'll forget by tomorrow? Because here's the secret, if you can create emotional moments that stand out, you'll stand out too. Number 2, keep a little mystery alive. There's a timeless truth about human nature. The more we discover, the more we want to know. Think of a great book or movie. The ones we remember most don't give away the ending in the first chapter. They reveal the story bit by bit, keeping us on the edge of our seats, wanting more. It's the same with connection. Women are drawn to men who have layers, depths that unfold over time, not all at once. As Robert Greene wrote in The 48 Laws of Power, the more mysterious your actions appear, the more intriguing you become. Mystery creates a sense of excitement, a pull that makes her want to know more about who you are. But let's be clear, it's about pacing, revealing your story in the right moments. Share your passions, your quirks, your ambitions, but not all at once. Let her discover you like chapters in a captivating novel, each one more intriguing than the last. The question is, are you an open book from the first page, or are you letting her enjoy the journey of getting to know the real you? Because keeping a little mystery alive isn't hiding, it's inviting her into a story she'll want to keep exploring. Number 3, confidence is quiet. Let me tell you something about confidence. It's not what most people think it is. True confidence doesn't scream for attention, it doesn't need to. It's quiet, steady, and magnetic in a way that draws people in without even trying. Think of James Bond for a second. He doesn't walk into a room shouting about how great he is or showing off, does he? No, he's calm, composed, and completely at ease with himself. That's why people respect him. That's the kind of confidence that catches attention without a word, because it's real. It's rooted in knowing who you are and being okay with that. But confidence isn't about proving anything to anyone. It's not about being better than someone else. It's about owning who you are, unapologetically. Like Oscar Wilde said, be yourself. Everyone else is already taken. That's where real confidence comes from. Not from comparison, but from authenticity. And when you carry that quiet, grounded confidence, it's magnetic. It's the kind of energy that makes people want to know you. Not because you're trying to impress them, but because you don't have to. Number 4, show the real you. Let me tell you something powerful. The very things we often try to hide, the fears, the struggles, the moments we fell short are what make us most human. And when you're willing to share those parts of yourself, that's not weakness, that's courage. Brené Brown talks about this in Daring Greatly. She says vulnerability is the foundation of connection, trust, and intimacy. Think about it. How can someone really know you, the real you, if you only show the polished version? It's in those moments of honesty, when you let someone see past the surface, that true connection happens. Imagine telling her about a time you failed but came back stronger. Not in a way that's rehearsed or seeking sympathy, but real, raw, and genuine. That kind of openness doesn't push people away, it draws them closer. It says, I trust you enough to see me, flaws and all, and that's what resonates. It's not perfection that makes someone compelling, it's authenticity. When you show her who you really are, you're not just giving her the best parts, you're inviting her into your story, and that's what builds something real. Number 5. Stay cool under pressure. Here's a crucial point that many men overlook. Emotional composure. Women are watching closely when stress or pressure arises. How do you handle difficult situations? How do you respond when challenges come your way? Your reaction reveals everything about your inner strength. When she challenges you, whether it's a playful tease or a tough question, how do you respond? Do you react with frustration, defensiveness, or anger? Or do you remain calm, centered, and even playful? Your ability to stay cool is a reflection of your emotional control, and that control is magnetic. Think of someone like Barack Obama. Throughout his presidency, he remained calm under intense pressure. Whether facing a difficult decision or being scrutinized by the media, his unflappable demeanor made him appear strong and capable. His poise wasn't just about politics, it was about his ability to handle whatever came his way with a sense of calm, which drew people to him. Number 6. Show, don't tell. Words may hold power, but actions create undeniable proof. Anyone can make promises or craft a narrative about who they are, but real character is revealed in moments that require follow-through, consistency, and authenticity. Do you honor your word even when it's inconvenient? Do you treat others with respect when there's nothing to gain? These small moments, when no one else is watching, are what define you. Women are highly attuned to these subtleties. They notice how you treat the waiter, whether you follow up on what you said you do, and how you handle stress or setbacks. When your actions consistently reflect your values, they create connection. If you want her to believe in you, let your deeds tell the story, quietly, confidently, and without pretense. So lastly, when you create emotional experiences, balance mystery with openness, and blend confidence with vulnerability, you become unforgettable. You become a man who stands out, not because you try, but because you're real. If this resonated with you, take the next step. Share your thoughts in the comments. Together, let's redefine what it means to connect deeply, authentically, and meaningfully.